We've been recommending Unleashed for quite a few years now. My background's in manufacturing, so to be able to have a cloud-based solution to manage stock control and inventory management is perfect, and their support is second to none, both to us and to the client. Hi, I'm Joe David. I'm the founder and managing director of Nephos. We're a business advisory focused accountancy practice based in Cheltenham. Personally, I think that technology is the way forward for all business models. Eventually, everybody is going to have to move towards a more tech-focused offering. So for us to be in that space already, we are already ahead of the curve in our own industry. We love working with all apps, all shapes and sizes, as long as they fit the bill for our clients. But working with an app that has a UK base and a UK office just makes that communication much easier. Time zones and all that sort of stuff, it means you can talk to someone in your normal working hours. Like I said before, we value our kind of client's experience with the app, probably as highly as the product itself being available. So for us, having that really amazing experience with Unleashed has really put it at the top of our app stack, and partnering with firms like them is exactly what we want to do.
My name's Alex Harry. I work for Forge Motorsport and I'm the sales manager for the UK and Europe. They're a cloud-based expert for us especially. So they've introduced us to Unleashed, they introduced us to Zero, various other different sort of cloud-based systems.
And we like to do things, manually is the wrong word, but we like to do things without using a software to import balances, because it just opens up more and more problems. And ultimately what we want is accurate data to give to the client. So it's not about how quickly can we move softwares, it's about how accurate is the data that we put out at the end. So yeah, we spend a lot of time making sure all the opening balances and all the kind of stock transactions and all that sort of stuff were kind of 100% accurate, so that we could give them the data they need. So the way we will scope a customer for determining the app stack is fairly straightforward, to be honest. We understand the processes that they're going through, and we understand at any point where we could speed up that process, make it more efficient, make it more accurate, that sort of thing. So the process we go through just involves managing that scenario and how that works, and then mapping the apps that would work, particularly in that space. The one thing we won't do is recommend apps where we don't feel that they'll add some value. So where there may be an app that could work but it won't add value, we won't necessarily integrate that into the systems, because that's when things become complicated.
It'll save us, again, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours, because everything is done manual. It's the automation is what we're looking for. It's about being able to analyze the information that we've got and being able to use that information to make ourselves a more streamlined business. Ordering on time, accuracy of costings, accuracy of orders. Yeah, it's going to make us a vastly different business once this is fully up and running.
In terms of the technology with Unleashed, I'd say the best thing is how integrated their system can be with many different platforms, websites, accounting software, online shops, e-commerce, that sort of stuff. So I think the fact that they've got a very open API means that a lot can be plugged into it, and therefore a lot can be done from it.